Hello folks, this is Tiny Games Lab and welcome to another tutorial on the transition series. This time I'm gonna do this bouncy effect you see on the screen right now, and we're gonna do that also using our transition basis tutorial. If you have not watched that tutorial, please go ahead and watch it. I have the link in the description below, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Okay, so let's start by adding a sprite. It's gonna be SPR lose, and let me just find it, and there we go. Game maker, assets, illustrations. Okay, so this is the sprite that we're gonna use to cover our screen. So I'm set the origin to the maximum Y and the 0 position on the X, and let's add a script. This is gonna be our twinning script, our easing script. I'm gonna call it easy out bounce. Okay, so let's start by easy out bounce, and it's gonna take in time and maximum time. Okay, and this code I got it from let me see, robertpinner.com/easings. Okay, and let's start writing the code. So it's gonna take a few variables. The first variable is var t, which is argument 0. This is our current time. So you're gonna see it's very similar to our other easing script that we just did it before on the basis tutorial. So var d is going to be argument 1, that's our maximum time. B is equal to 0, our initial position or value. That's going to be eased. And var c is going to be our final value, so we're going from 0 to 1. So t equals t divided by d. And I'm going to use some if statements here. So the first one is if t is less than 1 divided by 2.75. I'm going to return c times this huge number here, 7.5625. times t plus b. Okay, and I'm going to do a lot of else if statements. This is basically creating the shape of our easing effect, that is a bouncy effect. So it's just taking in all these arguments and returning different values for our easing script, and with that we'll get all this bouncy effect. So if you want to do the similar effect, you can pause the video and copy from my screen all these values and arguments and all that. And if not, you can go into this website, robertpinner.com/easing, and you're gonna see that there is a lot of different code that you can copy from there. And I got this one is the easy out bounce, so it's I just copied it from there to here. Okay, and you can do the same. There is different codes. The bouncy effect I like a lot, so that's why I'm using in this video. So we're almost finishing it. So that's the second to last return plus b. Okay, and the last one is going to be else, and t equals to t minus 2.625 slash 2.75, and then return c times the same number, 7.5625 times t plus 0.984375. Okay, plus b. Whew, we're done. So let's go to our transition object. So in our create event, we're gonna just do a little changes. So I changed the time to 40 because I want a longer time, and adding the x and y value equals to 0. My target's gonna be equal in x position is gonna be 0, and my target on the y position is gonna be my room height. But that's, you can use different things. I'm using a room with the height of my view and all that, so I can use, but you can use view height or display get height. Anything like that should work for a game. Just see whatever is best for you. On our step event, we're going to do just a little change here. So we're going to remove this, and we're going to do that an if alarm 0 is less than 0, which means it's not initiated. Let's initiate the alarm 0 with 15 frames or steps. Perfect. Also, we're going to put time greater or equal to max time. Okay. On alarm 0, we're going to do a transition equals trans.in, and our room go to equals to target room. Okay, so we're just using the code that was in the step event. The draw event, remove everything that we have here. Let's start from 0. So we're going to do a switch statement or transition variable. Okay, and we use the same two cases. So case trans.out break, and case trans.in break. Perfect. And sorry, break. Okay, so transition.out I'm gonna use set our YY to target Y plus is out bounce. Sorry, is out bounce, okay? And we're gonna use time and max time as the variables. For the transin, we're gonna copy this, and I'm gonna change from is out bounce to our other easing script, is in out quad, perfect. And lastly, I want to draw the sprite, so draw sprite, and the sprite is going to be the SPR lose, and subimage 0, and XXYY, and that should be it. Okay, so let's see if everything works out. Okay, so you can see that the effect is working out. We have this you lose screen bouncing down when it falls, and then it goes back up using also an easing effect. So that's what I wanted to show you guys on this tutorial, very quick tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more like this, please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell button. And if you like this video in particular, click on that like button, okay? If you have any comments, please leave them on the comment section below and I'll try to respond to everything. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.